Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Automation Hub Sathak, and in today's video I'll introduce something which is generally asked in interview question. Obviously this thing you will never practice in your real-time project, but this is still asked in the interview. So I'm just gonna do a very simple video. It's a very simple topic. It's like how to get complete document from web page, trying to understand it manually. Let's say for example this is your website, any website for that matter. So you just generally go and do a view page source over here, right? You can see this. So they are technically asking how will you get the complete documentation of this particular web page. It is very, it's not very presentable as such, but even your console output will fill up with something which is very ordinary like this. But let's go ahead and do it. It's a very simple process. It's not a big deal. So we'll just, it'll take hardly a couple of minutes for us to do it. So I'll just create a new class. There are a couple of ways to do it. I'll just do the first way and the second way. Let's say document for that matter, and I'll just click on finish. Okay, I'll just immediately go and make our WebDriver. WebDriver. Okay. Let me maximize it. So I'm just going to open. You can choose any website, doesn't matter. I'll open the one which I like. Okay, so you want to get the document of the whole web page. It's very simple. You can directly use page source which I told you. So if you see, there is something known as get page source, which we generally do not use much in Selenium, but still this method is available. So for the first time, let's go ahead and use it. So I'm just using it, and you have to store this the whole thing in a certain place. So I'll just make something like string document underscore web page, or something like this I'll make. And then it's nothing much. You just have to go and take a printout of the same, the document of the web page is, you just go and concatenate it with this value. That's it. And let me do a driver dot quit. Too many instances of Chrome driver exe actually uses up a lot of RAM. So and then that's mostly it. You don't have to do much. This is a very simple program. We'll just see how the output looks like. This is the first way of doing it, using get page source method. There is also another way of doing it. I'll show that as well. Rather, that way is even more presentable to look at. This one will just bring the whole DOM into your output console. That is what is going to happen. You will not see anything effectively happening in the website. Rather, everything that is going to happen will happen here. So it is still continuing. One second. Why is it taking so much time? Okay, so now it is done. Of course, it will take some time for so much. So technically, your whole documentation in the form of DOM has come over here. Okay, so yeah, I mean the whole page source is here. Looks pretty. Okay, now let's go ahead and see. This is the one way of doing it. So this is one way of doing it using get page source method. This is one way of doing it. Okay, so I'm gonna do one thing. I'm just gonna make these two lines. I'll comment them Okay, the second way of doing it is by using the body tag. Now let me explain what it is. So if you right click inspect anywhere in the website, you will see that I have told you in one of my previous videos as well. The HTML tag, which the whole body, the whole HTML web page has actually the two most important segregations. One is the head tag. Anyways, we Selenium testers, we do not use the head tag at all. The other part is the body tag. So if you go for the body tag, technically everything what we need will also come into the fore, right? So we can just use this body tag in case. So you can do this. This is also very simple. You can just go ahead and write web element, let's say document underscore web page equal to driver dot find element by the tag name body. That's it. It's very simple. You just do it like this, and that's it. You import the web element interface, and then you just have to print out, nothing much. Document context, for example, is just concatenate with document dot web page and get the text of it. Sorry, it is underscore, sorry. Then you get the text what you want to get. Simple as that. It's very simple. Here you're actually trying to get the text of the whole document, and in this part which I had, actually you are directly getting the page source, and here you will get the text of the whole document, and that's it from the body tag. Simple. You just run this. My internet is a bit slow and so is my laptop. I think I need to upgrade a little bit more of RAM because it has become extremely slow. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it is still loading up. Okay, I think it has loaded up. Okay, probably it should have come, but okay, let me do one thing. I'll just I'll run again. It's a very simple affair. Okay, see, okay, so it close that instance with driver.quit. So this is it. It's no big deal. Everything which is latest will come here, and it's still a little bit more readable, apart from what you have seen in the previous option. So this option is also fine, but then this does not give the whole document. It just, gives some most important areas. Actually, it covers them. Anyways, it is up to you. You can tell the interviewer. It is generally an interview question. It has no significance or relevance in your working project. It will not matter. But just for the interview purpose, I thought I'll make a small video. People tend to ask this: how will you get the complete document from web page using Selenium? So these are the two ways you can use page source, driver.get page source, and you will just print it, or else you want to go ahead with the body tag and just have to get the text, and that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Automation Hub Sathak. Thank you so much. Sathak here, signing off.